So I went to church with my hubby, but I came back alone. Yes, because my hubby went to do other stuff. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys my bittersweet experience with this Adventist church, and this is my first time of attending Adventist church, like I've earlier said. And at the end of this video, we are going to know if I'm going to be attending Adventist church or I am not going to be attending Adventist church. Okay, so yes, today we went to do my father-in-law's Thanksgiving, and this is my first time of attending an Adventist church, of going to an Adventist church. My father-in-law was a pastor there before he died. He was still even pastoring, hope the English is right, before he died. And when I met my husband, I didn't meet him in an Adventist church. So even when we got married, we were not going to Adventist church, but he was an Adventist, brought up 7 days Adventist to be precise. So today is like my first day of going there, okay? And that's why I'm doing all of this. One thing I've noticed is that they don't clap. I don't know if it's the one I went to. They don't clap like this. Nothing, like no scenarios of clapping, okay? And you know, with the church I was kind of brought up with they clap, with they shout, with they dance. So those people, they don't clap, they don't dance, they don't shout. I don't know if you guys get my point, okay? So that's one of the reasons. That's one difference with my brought up. And secondly, they sing him a lot, and of which that part, I admire that part in them so much, which is singing him. Like, and you know, another thing I really, really admire is that whenever they are singing, they part their song to the point that you know that these people are parting this song like well, because I am a chorister, yeah, and I know when I'm listening to good music. And these people, both their boys, girls, women, children, like when they are singing, because even if I'm my mother-in-law, if I go to my mother-in-law's place, my mother-in-law comes here and we're doing devotion, like the pattern of song is different, and it's way, way different from my own brought up. My own brought up, we are this kind of people that there is joy, joy, joy. You know, this main Pentecostal lifestyle, you get the vibes in Pentecostal church. So I don't get to see all of that there, except those their music, like him on the hill, far away, stand up for Jesus, and showers. Like, I don't know if you guys get my point. Let me know in the comment section if you're an Adventist person or you're a Pentecostal person. And that's another different I've noticed. Then another thing I noticed again that got me, I was like, hello. I don't know if it's just this one that I went to. Immediately we came in, a lady noticed, like, she had not seen this face before, and she just walked up to me and she'd be like, oh, can I please get your name so that whenever they call first timer, you can just stand up? So that I was like, no. Because like my own brought up, not like we don't do this first timers thing. Right now we are attending Salvation Ministries, not like we don't do first timers thing, but like you don't get to see people coming to like that, oh, can I get your name? Like what they just do is, once it's time for like welcoming newcomers, everybody just like, they just announce it. Then if you are new, if you're willing to stand up, then you stand up. Not like when I said no, the lady was dragging with me. She wasn't dragging with me, but I feel like that part is a bit different from my Pentecostal brought up or from my own brought up church. You know, different church has their different doctrines. Then another thing I noticed again that busted my head, I was like, what? Everybody here is blocked. There is no hole to put earring, there is no hole at all. And I was like, why are you for not wearing any earring? I think I've asked my mother-in-law be like, oh, they are doctrine stuff loud. Then but when I came, you know, my mother-in-law ear is not popped up, my sister-in-law's ears are not popped up, but all of my sister-in-law says she's gonna pop up her ear very soon, because she will not be going to Adventist church again. I don't know, maybe the husband she wants to get married to or stuff like that. But when I entered inside and I saw a crowd of women, I was looking at them one after the other like this, and I noticed that I was the only one that has two popped up ears, say for that matter, because their own, like nobody, like none of the women popped up their ears. Both their small baby girls that you be seeing, children, like teenagers that are like all their ear like this is blocked. I was like, what? Can I cope with this? Probably if I was to be born in 7 days Adventist, I would have been able to cope up. I don't know if you guys understand my point of view. I don't know. But maybe because I was not brought up there, because the very day my mom gave birth to me, I know that she popped this ear, okay? Because even when she was giving birth to, when she gave birth to our last born that I've grown to like know that, oh, they popped her ear. So like all of them, the ear is just blank. And then I was asking myself, oh, you guys don't wear earrings, then why do you guys do attachments? Because they're wearing, like, you see them wearing wigs, you see like wigs, attachments, blah blah blah, but just the ear that is not popped up, because they were even wearing makeup. Some were wearing makeups, so we're drawing eyebrows. So it's not like it's only me that draw eyebrows, it's not like it's only me that wore eyelashes, but you guys are not wearing earrings. So why, if an Adventist church person, let me know why you guys wear every other stuff. You're wearing ring, you're wearing wristwatches, but your ears are not popped up. So that's another thing I noticed, that I was like, wow. Just imagine me not wearing earring. Not like I'm saying that earrings, not like I'm condemning the doctrines, don't get me wrong, I'm not condemning their doctrine. That is their belief and it should be respected for that, and I respect them so much for that. But you know, when you come in the midst of people and everybody will look at you like you are literally a newcomer, you know, that's the kind of vibes they are giving me, like you are literally not an Adventist person at all. Okay, like my own church that I was brought up, or Salvation Ministries that I'm attending right now, if you see a newcomer and you see an old comer, you will not be able to dictate, you understand, because you just see that until they say, okay, if you're a newcomer, stand up, or if you are new, if today is your first time of fellowshipping with us, stand up. Then you know that, oh, so this person I'm sitting with is new, because literally we are like one, like everything is looking the same, okay? But these people, immediately I got there, they just gave me that vibes of, babe, you are literally new here. Oh, she's a newcomer. Oh, like this is our first time of coming to an Adventist church. Oh, that's the kind of vibes they're giving me. And then let me guys bust your head another thing again. I got me mad about these people. When it comes to the Thanksgiving time, we came outside. See, you know, like if it's my church doing Thanksgiving, like Salvation Ministries or my brought up, let me just use my brought up. Like you'll be seeing ginger dancing, tubers of yam, gari, you know, rice, a chicken, like anything that you feel like, oh, this thing is worth, nothing is worth giving God, like, because everything that you have belongs to him. I don't know if you guys understand my statement. So, but like you like thank God with something, okay? But when they called us for Thanksgiving, because I was already asking my baby from the house that, oh, what are we going to carry to, like, in telling them, or telling God, like, oh God, thank you. He said, no, don't, that Adventist church don't do that. That want to just call us, we'll just come and line up. Well, we'll line up, we'll not sing him. That one scatter my head. We now sing hymn to thank God. So when we came out now, since me I'm not the hymn person, I just carried my phone and I was looking at the hymn there, because I snapped it from my husband's phone. My husband have their hymn, like hymn, what's in his phone, hymn app. I had that hymn app before, but that was my old phone. So I was just, after we sang the hymn, we just dropped offering inside the offering box, and that is all. Okay, we knelt down. They said, okay, we should kneel down, so they'll pray for us. We knelt down, they pray for us. Sorry, I was not having anyone around. I would have given the person to like film for us. Since all of us were going out, there is nobody, and you guys know that I don't know anybody there that would have filmed that particular part. And we knelt down, they pray for us, and that's it. I was like, hello, this cannot be my brought up, okay? So, and okay, let me just put this out there. This is not me condemning Adventist church. I love that part of, okay, just come, thank God, and go your way, okay? Do your thing and go your way. And I love that part. But with my kind of brought up, I cannot attend Adventist church. Yes. with my kind of brought up, if I was to be born in Adventist church, I would have understood that, okay, this is their way of worship. This is what they believe. This is their practice. Like, they pray normal prayer. Like, they pray fervently the way I was brought up. Like, my church brought up, and Salvation Ministry stuff, they pray. But I can't cope. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Like, how do I put it so that the Adventist people will not think that I am condemning their church? I am not condemning Seventh Day Adventists. Just get that right. Let's get that clear. Let's get that chapter clear. I am just saying that since I was not brought up that way, worshiping in an Adventist, Seventh Day Adventist church is going to be way difficult, because if I want to be a full member, I'll have to remove my earrings. It's basically just my earrings, because like I said, they were makeup, attachments, wigs. In fact, even old women wore wigs, lipsticks. Just, I have to stop wearing earrings, and I have to now start learning him. Then I have to learn not to clap my hand, because when they were sharing testimony, I wanted to mistakenly clap, and they have their way of, like, I don't know. Okay, then let me say another reason why, if I will choose to worship Adventists, is the way they sang their songs, like when their patterns, because literally everybody is a singer. That's one good thing. And I love music. I really love music. So since I love music, I will love to be there because of the music. I would love to attend Adventist church because of the music, because of the sofa notes, you know. When you, like, sometimes you see my sister-in-law, my husband, they will be singing sofa note like this. The two will be busting my brain, because when I was still learning, what they call it, when I was learning trumpet, I have to cram a lot of sofa notes, and sofa notes will have, if I was attending Adventist church at that time, sofa notes wouldn't have been a problem of learning. So just being, okay, what is the music? This is the notes. I don't know if you guys get my point. So I would love to attend that because of the sofa notes. And another thing again I love was how the area was, the church was peaceful in the sense that, you know, since they are not this people, I didn't see any instruments there. The only instrument I saw, let me not say I didn't see any instrument, sorry, I saw instrument, but the only instrument I saw was saxophone, and this keyboard, this double-sided keyboard. I don't know how to describe that keyboard that will bring better notes for you. That's those choir masters keyboard. I saw it there. Okay, and saxophone, the mic. So the noise was not like boom, 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 you know, like the one there is joy, hey, let's go. I don't know if you guys got what I'm trying to say, okay? It's making me feel like maybe Adventist people will see this video and be like, she's condemning our church. I'm not condemning you guys, okay? So I love the music part. I love that the environment was calm enough, and they separated the children. See how they separated them from crèche. Because I went to go and ease myself, and I saw different sections with different children. And I was asking my sister-in-law, they have crèche, they have the one we don't pass crèche, let me say primary level, or no, not primary level, nursery level or so. Then they have primary level, then they have the teenagers, and then they have the youths. So the main place we were staying was just where we have women and men, like matured women and men, elders, and, you know, deaconesses, you guys know. So there's no noise like, oh, there's noise here, or this teenager is disturbing, or this one. Like, everybody just have their own church. Let me know in the comment section if it's just the one I attended, if other Adventists is not like that. If you are attending Adventists, let me know in the comment section, okay? So it was one thing I love so much, you know, when a child don't get to disturb his parents or her parents, you know that, okay, as I'm coming to church, I'm going to just drop someone like me, as I just come and they jack you, go drop you there. You understand? So that's one good thing again I love about them. But it's giving me the decision in the conclusion of the whole matter, giving me the decision to tell me that, oh, do you want to go to an Adventist church? Are you going to be attending Adventist church? Do you want to be a member of Adventist church? Fam, I don't want, because I was not brought up that way. So that's just my own opinion. If I was brought up that way, I would love it. Like our Ada, okay, I have two sister-in-laws. So our Ada, there is nothing you will tell her that will bring her out of Adventist church. She loved them with passion. She loved them with her spirit, soul, and body. The same thing with our most senior, which is my husband's elder brother. He loved them with passion. There is nothing you would tell him. Like, he will literally tell you that any girl that he want to marry must come from Adventist church. So that is the kind of love and passion. You know why? That is because he was brought up there. You know, everybody have their own ways. My husband was also brought up there, but at some point he left, and then he went to the church where I met him, where he was playing instrument. I feel like maybe it's because of his instrument that made him leave. But right now, even I was also like, oh baby, let's go and attend the church. And I was like, so you know, stuff like that. Okay, so that is just my bittersweet experience, and that is why I'll be like, I'm not going to be attending. I don't want to attend Adventist church because I was not brought up in an Adventist church. Okay, so yeah, so that is just my unpopular opinion. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe in the future, let me know. See, maybe in the future I will develop passion for the church. You know, you need to go to a church whereby your mind is there, your mind, spirit, soul, and body is there. Okay, so I was just there like a novice, because some things that let me not say again, so that they're not going to say I don't talk plenty. Anyways, let me know in the comment section if you're attending Adventist church. Let me know if you are not a member of Adventist church, but if you're not a member of Adventist church, but you've attended Adventist church once. Let me know your experience. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinion. Then if you're an Adventist church member, let me know in the comment section, will you love to drop Adventist church to a Pentecostal church? Let me know in the comment section. Will you love to drop Adventist church to any other church, not only Pentecostal, Catholic, Anglican? Will you love to, or you prefer your Adventist church? If yes, let me know. Give me some reasons in the comment section. Let's just talk heart to heart, okay? All church, disclaimers, all churches are churches planned on God. They are the solid rock of God, because even the Bible says, touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. So I am not touching any anointed, or I'm not touching any stone of the church. All church, everywhere you worship, it's okay. It's okay to worship anywhere that your mind is free, your mind is accepted. It's okay to do whatsoever you want to do. I'm not condemning your way of worship. I'm not saying it's bad, but it is just my unpopular opinion. Let me put this disclaimer out there, okay? So yes, and if you've not subscribed at this point of this video, what are you waiting for? Please do a subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. This is Vibe, bringing vibes on your table. I just realized that I didn't do intro for this video. Anyways, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, so before I'm seeing you guys in my next video, let me know what my makeup it's giving. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.